How to rank up players in FC Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Ranking up players in EA Sports FC Mobile increases their overall rating and improves their attributes so you can build a stronger team. In order to rank up your players, first of all, launch the EA Sports FC Mobile game on your smartphone or tablet and sign into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the club button from the home screen, and on the next page, click on Players. From the Players tab, select the player you want to rank up from the menu. Now go to the right hand corner and tap on Rank Up. In order to rank up, you need to spend some rank up points. Simply go ahead and tap on the rank up button at the bottom of the screen to rank up the chosen player. So right there you have learned how you can rank up your players. Make sure to rank up players you use most often to get the biggest impact on your team's performance. And there you have it. Now after ranking up the players, you can strengthen your squad, improve your team's performance, and enjoy taking on tougher opponents. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.